So this is the final outcome of project. So in this project we are going to make check about the anemia detection by uploading the eye retinal images. Okay, so this is the landing page. So here we are going to display, so what is the title name and which algorithm we use, each and everything we are going to work. So the main algorithm is mobile net V2 algorithm, which is going to make a effective and give accurate results by using deep learning. And here we use the AI for the detection purpose. First we are going to make a get started. So we are going to create an account. I'm going to create an account and gmail.com is mail. So 6 like a professional website we are going to implement, like we can use in hospital. Okay, like that we created this. So I'm going to make a login now, and to implement this project we use a Python Flask framework. Along with that, one second, gmail.com 12346 email, username, password, or else we can create a new username, that's not an issue. I'm going to create a new user, like okay, 13 mail, password 12346. So here the account created successfully, login. So now I am going to create password and I'm going to make a sign in. Okay, so it's got sign in now. Now we can check by uploading the images. So how many anemia results, how many non-anemia results, so we can check. So by clicking on new scan, so we are going to upload image. So I have downloaded several images from Google, so I'm going to make upload one image, so which is non-anemia. So it's a non-anemia image. So now I'm going to upload one more. So now we will upload this, we'll check what it will show. So it's a mild anemia and 20% eye image analysis and estimated hemoglobin is 12.2%. Okay, so it's a mild anemia. Okay, so it's a overall model performance metrics for the image. Okay, I'm going to make one more. Yes, so I will check one more whether it is showing correctly predictions or not. So it's a non-anemia. Okay, so we'll get one more. I'm going to upload this, analyze. So it's a severe anemia. So eye image analysis 75% score, estimation hemoglobin is 7.2%. Okay, so and we can see the history, scan history, what we did and all. Okay, by using mobile, and now we are going to make a performance analysis. So this is the total scans what we did. So total anemia results and non-anemia results, and average confidence score is 88.6%. And we can see overall accuracy and precision, overall graphs and charts. So based on the predictions what we have done. Okay, and here it's going to show the chart. See, we can see here the chart and graphs here. So based on the performance it's going to show. And now in dashboard we can make it a show of. See here it's showing the analysis and all. Okay, so this is the, and we are going to make it. Now to implement this project we use a Python Flask framework, and for backend we use a XAMPP MySQL to store the database. So this is the final outcome of a project.